Good morning, B2 students. Today is Monday and it's what? It's the the 15th of June 2020. For today, we are going to get a learner's book and we're gonna open it to page 55. So we're going to open our learner's book to page 55. This one. So today, since we cannot experiment this together, so teacher will just explain it to you, okay? So I hope you understand it. So again, for our learning objective is that I can read and understand more about motor and buzzer. So we understand about what is motor and what is buzzer. From our previous classes, we know that the motor uses electricity and it will help or it will make things or objects move or spin, right? And then for buzzer, it makes things, also buzzer needs electricity and it makes sound. Very good. So before we discuss page 55, teacher will also show you your assignment for today. Okay, so teacher will just put this down and I'm gonna get your book. So for your assignment today, this is your science activity book, like this, and open it to page 28, 28. So here, exercise 5.4 using motors and buzzers. In this exercise, you will think about how motors and buzzers are used. All of these things uses electricity, right? So these things will not work unless there is electricity, unless there's a circuit, a working circuit. Do they use a motor or a buzzer? The first one has been done for you. So this one is a washing machine. So washing machine that doesn't make sound, doesn't zzz, but it will move or it will spin, right? So we use motor, not buzzer, because buzzer makes sound. So here, this is an alarm clock. This is a CD player. So this time, this is not very popular, but before it was very popular. So now we use MP3, but before they use CD. Walkman. So this one is a Walkman. You put like listen to music. So what do you think this one? Do we use motor or buzzer? So here you're just going to write buzzer or motor. So is this making a sound? How does it work in order for this CD to work? Will it spin or make a buzzing sound like that? Or this is an alarm, a doorbell, right? Where you push the button. So do we need motor to make it spin or we need buzzer to make a sound? And this one is a car, a remote car. Do we use buzzer or motor in order for it to move? How about this? This is a fan. Do we use a buzzer or motor? So you just write under the picture, you write buzzer or motor. So after you do this, please take a picture and send it to teacher. All right, so now let's go back to this one. So for here, so let's review first. So washing machine, is it motor or buzzer? Washing machine, that it makes sound or spin or it moves? Yes, very good. So washing machine is motor. Very good. How about the fan? The fan will spin and it will move. So fan is, we use what? Motor or buzzer? We use motor. Very good. How about the dental cleaner? Remember those this picture? When we go to the dentist, like this, it used to scrap your teeth. And it will spin like this. So this is what? Dental cleaner is also a motor, right? How about the doorbell? It makes a sound. When it makes a sound, we use buzzer. Very good. How about the phone? It makes a sound, so we use buzzer. Alarm clock. It makes a sound. So alarm clock is we use buzzer. Very good. So again, washing machine, we use motor for it to spin. The fan, we need motor also to make it spin. We have the dental cleaner, motor. For the buzzer, we have the doorbell, the phone, and the alarm clock. Okay, so I'm gonna put it down. So now we have this one. So this, like I've said earlier, we cannot experiment this, but teacher will try to find videos. If I can find videos related to this or similar to this, then I will post it also. But if I can't find it, so we'll just look at the book and see what it's about. So if you have your book with you, please open it to page 55. 55. So again, for the book, 55, and for your assignment, activity book, page 28. Okay. So here, for activity 5.4, so there's two activities here. The first activity is making a fan. The second activity is making or using a buzzer. So for making a fan, all you need is a cell or a battery, a cell holder, two wires, a motor, scissors, card, some sticky tack. So like glue tack or blue tack. So Modope, her name is Modope. Modope is making a fan using a motor and card. This is a card. Make a fan like this. Now, first, we're going to make a circuit where, I'll connect the battery, the wire to make a loop so the electricity can go through, right? Connect. So make a circuit to make it spin. Connect the cell to the motor with wires to make a loop. Which ways does the fan spin? So the fan will go spin round and round. Now change the wire over at the cell. What do you think will happen? So again, we cannot experiment this because I don't have a motor also. But as I've said, I'm going to find videos related to this one. So for here, this is using a buzzer. So what you need, a battery or a cell, two wires, a buzzer, and a cell holder. So make the buzzer work in a circuit. Now change the wires over at the cell. What do you think will happen? Remember that making a buzzer, the red wire of the buzzer, oh, this is like the buzzer, yes. So we make sure that the red is connected to the positive side, or if we connect it to the negative, if we connect the red wire of the buzzer to the negative side of the cell or the battery, it won't work. Okay. So here, so what have you learned for today? So motors use electricity to make things turn, and buzzers use electricity to make sound. All right, so that would be all for today. And please answer your activity book, page 28. All right, thank you so much for your time. Goodbye.